served with soft-boiled eggs and a cup of coffee. Another popular snack is the kaya toast, which is a breakfast staple consisting of toast spread with kaya, a sweet coconut jam, and served with soft-boiled eggs and a cup of coffee. Singapore is also known for its unique beverages, such as teh tarik, a pulled tea made with condensed milk, and the Singapore Sling, a fruity cocktail invented at the Raffles Hotel. Apart from the food, Singapore's food culture is also shaped by the various food festivals and events that take place throughout the year. The Singapore Food Festival, for instance, is an annual event that celebrates the city-state's culinary heritage and features a range of food-related activities, including food tours, cooking workshops, and food competitions. Overall, Singapore's food culture is an integral part of its national identity and has evolved over the years to reflect its diverse population and cosmopolitan nature. With its range of street food, fine dining options, and unique culinary traditions, Singapore has firmly established itself as a food lover's paradise. The traditional food that you can find in Singapore. Satay. This is a popular Southeast Asian dish that can be found throughout Singapore. Satay consists of small pieces of meat, such as chicken, beef, or mutton, that are marinated in a mixture of spices, skewered, and then grilled over an open flame. Satay consists of small pieces of meat, such as chicken, beef, or mutton, that are marinated in a mixture of spices, skewered, and then grilled over an open flame. Satay is typically served with a peanut dipping sauce and cucumber and onion slices. Char kway teow. This is a stir-fried noodle dish that is a favorite among Singaporeans. The dish consists of flat rice noodles that are stir-fried with egg, bean sprouts, Chinese sausage, shrimp, and sometimes cockles. Char kway teow is cooked over high heat and is typically served with a side of sambal chili paste. Bak kut teh. This is a pork rib soup that originated in Singapore and Malaysia. The soup is made by simmering pork ribs in a broth that is flavored with a blend of herbs and spices, such as garlic, pepper, and cinnamon. Bak kut teh is typically served with rice, fried dough fritters, and a bowl of soup. Nasi lemak. This is a popular Malay dish that is often considered the national dish of Singapore. The dish consists of fragrant coconut rice that is served with a variety of side dishes, including fried chicken, fried fish, anchovies, peanuts, and a spicy chili paste. Fish head curry. This is a spicy and tangy curry dish that is made with fish heads, okra, and tomatoes. The curry is typically served with rice or bread, and is a favorite among Singaporeans and Malaysians alike. Hokkien mee. This is a dish that is made with thick yellow noodles that are stir-fried with seafood, such as prawns and squid, as well as pork and cabbage. Hokkien mee. This is a dish that is made with thick yellow noodles that are stir-fried with seafood, such as prawns and squid, as well as pork and cabbage. The dish is flavored with a sweet and savory sauce made from soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce. These are just a few examples of the traditional food that you can find in Singapore. The city-state has a rich culinary history, and there are countless other dishes and flavors to discover.